I still remember there was a time I used to watch motivational content and motivational speeches on YouTube. I still remember I used to think that these guys are successful and they worked hard and they beat they outworked everyone and they become successful. They were really hardworking and they were really honest to their work, and that is why they become successful. But now after the Epstein files, my perspective shift is drastic. Why? There is a clear reason behind this. Those guys who could not even control themselves from torturing, harming, and abusing less than 18-year-old girls, how will they teach me what to do and what not to do and how to become successful? Those leeches could not even control their own self. How will they teach me what to do and what not to do? They have no right and they cannot teach me what to do and what not to do. And these guys, these are really rich people. These are really powerful people. These are really people with high political power, and they are literally like trying to control the world. They have influence over the world. But at the end, their own mind is not in their control. Their own mind is wandering here and there like psychopaths, which controls them and makes them do stuff that they would have never done otherwise, that a normal person would never do. So what use is that money which cannot buy you mental peace? What use is that money which cannot buy you security and sense of comfort, which cannot buy you a silence and a level of calmness in your attitude? What use is that money which makes you do grave sins, grave foolish deeds like touching and torturing and doing whatnot with a young girl, with young guys, with young boys? What is the level of degeneracy that is filled in your mind, and what is uh, the level of detachment from consequence that has pervaded in you? And that is why I think that even if money is a lot, but cannot be everything. Mental peace cannot be purchased. That is for sure. Thank you.